Model: 58-plate Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 2.0 Tdi 140 bhp long wheelbase, METALIC blue body, blue, panel van mileage, 172,825 engine, 1,968 cc for 140 bhp transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Fourth gear is noisy but still drives fine, and also driver side front coil spring has snapped, will need replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 3 former keepers, air-con, electric windows, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, Cat N in 2019. Cap retail, £3,775. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.